In this video, we will be showing you how to change the fuel filter in a W212 Mercedes E350. First, begin by removing the cover to disconnect the battery. You will need a 10mm to disconnect the negative charge. Next, you will remove the back seat. We decided to open the gas cap to release some pressure before proceeding. The next step is to remove the driver's side cover. How'd you know it's this side that's leaking?
Because I opened it before and I saw gas inside. And the smell is coming from this side, not that side.
We will show you the passenger side shortly, just for comparison purposes.
This is the pump side. This is where the pump is. And that one's the filter. This is the pump. Well, my pump is fine still. I mean, I didn't suspect any leakage here, but people have problems on this side as well. So it depends. See? No leaks here at all. But there, it's another problem. Where you see the clean part, that where the gas was. And I literally saw gas there, like gas.
When it was on full tank.
Yes.
Okay, I cleaned it a bit more. When you take out the bolts, I'm gonna clean it again because there's gonna be dirt.
10mm. Okay, let's disconnect this one. I don't want to use power tools.
Why?
Because there's spark and then fire.
It smells like gas.
Starting to.
If you have your masks from COVID, might need to use those.
Yeah, there's like paint peeling off.
We have like no gas, pretty much no gas left. Just to be on the safe side.
Okay. All ready? She's open.
You know what? Actually, I think take the plate off carefully because some like pieces.
I want to make sure that it goes back the same way it came out.
No, I can hear. Let me do this. Let me mark the one that was at the top. I'll just do this. Up.
Make another thing. The line comes together.
This?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm scared to vacuum at this point. Let me just do this. If you decide to use a vacuum, just be very careful. Once the area is clean, slowly lift the fuel pump filter. Oh, maybe go from this side. So he's taking that one off right now.
Push on. Okay, there we go. This one's out.
As you will be removing these connections, be sure not to drop them into the tank.
Just emptying out.
Yeah. Ooh. We decided to connect the hoses into the new filter immediately, just to avoid dropping them into the tank. Yep. I heard it click. Oh.
Okay, it's not going anywhere.
Just let it. Oh, there's the seal.
Yeah, we'll take it off.
Next, remove the second connection. This one, yeah. You don't have to. Okay.
So I think. Hold this.
Then remove the third. Oh. This wire that you just took out. Give it to me here. Okay, like that. And again, connect it to the new filter. We will connect the second wire we removed a bit later. Lastly, disconnect the final hose.
This one, on the bottom one, you just need to press this little thing and yank it out. And on this one, to push this out, you need to push on them
The clip?
Yeah, on the clip for it to release. Then you put it back and then you pull on it. So it will be,
Locked.
in this case, locked.
Okay.
It should be good.
Okay, hold that one. I'll put this away.
Now, hold this still.
Go ahead and connect the final hose to the new filter, followed by the second wire. Once all the clips are secured, you can go ahead and remove the old green seal by pulling it over the filter. This is not shown in the video. Here we are installing the new seal. Carefully install the seal, making sure it doesn't get caught behind the bolts.
Oh, zацепился за болт.
Once the seal is in, you can go ahead and drop the filter back in.
That's how it is.
Next, place the metal bracket back in. For now, hand tight the bolts, but the next step is very important.
Okay, so now we need to tighten a star pattern.
Yeah, because he said top.
No, make listen. I'm just kind of setting them in first. Now this one?
Yeah. Here we are showing you the pattern that we followed to tighten the bolts. And again, no power tools.
So over there.
Don't tighten the bolts too much at this step. We will do this later.
Down and then up.
I mean, this should be.
This is where we are going to follow the star pattern again to secure the bolts tightly.
This one. And that one there.
Once the bolts are tightened, go ahead and reconnect these sensors. Place back the cover and tighten it with 8mm. We are almost finished. We are going to go ahead and put back the seat, but don't forget to close the gas cap.
What are you gonna do? You're just gonna slide it in and hook it on. Where's the hooks?
No one hooks. They hook
Where are
here.
they? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So they're right there. Okay.
Push it in your hand.
Oh, there it is. Oh, that's easy.
Good.
That's easy. Whoa.
After closing the gas cap, go ahead and connect the battery.
Okay.
Now check the car. If the car is gonna start and not blow up.
Yay!
It's really empty. We need to go to the gas station.
Works.
What's the mileage on the car so people would know?
153.
It started showing issues closer to like 150, right?
No, it was like 135. I just
No,
didn't
it's like
fix
the
it.
smells. The smells when they started, the fumes. We started feeling the fumes.
Like
around.
135. We put this thing, our filter cover back. This is how you change the fuel filter on the W212 Mercedes Benz or E350.
Okay, let's go add some gas to the car.
Crack.
Oh,
And crack.
I see. That's
So it's cracked on the neck right here. And that's where it was coming out.
when it was a full tank. Just from age or?
Because it's not supposed to be plastic.